demo. I recently watched Jeff Walker's current launch for the product launch formula. And in this demo, I want to show you how we can create a campaign, a complete campaign for the product launch formula using Groove.ai. I have access to the alpha version here. So I'm creating a brand new campaign here using this, the software. So I do not know how this will turn out. Basically, what Jeff did, he had this launch masterclass here, and in this he shared different videos just for his product launch formula launch essentially. So here he shared some prompts that we can use to create a product launch campaign. And essentially what we will be doing is using some of his material, so I can create a product launch for my own product, essentially for a new training that I want to do. But I really liked what he offered here. So let's have a look at how we can use his prompts and work inside the Groove AI user interface. So this is essentially what I wanted to do. So let's open the interface here and probably put this to the side. And then, let's see how we can do this. Not sure like what's the best here. So that will probably work. So inside of Groove AI, we typically first have to create our presets. So for this, we will start with creating a new preset. And I'm not an expert in this software. I just played around with it a couple of days. So I'm probably not using it as good as Mike Filsaime. But for this, we definitely want to be a direct response writer. Like let's just choose Dan Kennedy, the target audience, and this is essentially like I will use this to for this training here. Oh, let's make this a little bit bigger so you can see everything in full screen here. So otherwise it will probably be a little bit not big enough. So um, so but yeah, this is essentially what I wanted to show you here. We will create Dan Kennedy. Our target audience is digital marketers for this as well. And then the avatar is someone who wants to sell products online but does not know how. And the reading level, I like 10th grade. The rules, we can leave this open, and then custom edition. Um, like here, I created some copy for what people will learn. So this is what people will learn, and then I will just copy and paste the information here as well. So this is essentially what we will learn. So we always have some background information that ChatGPT has some background information. So because the database do not work right now, so I just will save this, and let's save this as product launch formula. I could have looked into if there's Jeff Walker actually in the styles. I do not know. Maybe there is, maybe there is not. But that's essentially all the information that we need. And now we will just start here and make this a little bit bigger. So for the presets, we can now choose our product launch formula inside the Groove AI platform. And we want to optimize for direct response. And besides that, we will keep the format and the output normal, not changing anything here. Maybe with the style, I like I will not choose any presets here. Just wanted to make sure for the AI service here, this is a Find Focus is my main brand, and this is essentially ChatGPT 4, and this is ChatGPT 3.5. It's a little bit cheaper to create content with that, but I like for this we're using ChatGPT 4. And yeah, now let's have a look and yeah, grab some of the prompts here. So too many windows open. So I will just put this to the other slide. So I will yeah, just choose the prompts here from Jeff Walker. We should have like the app should have some background, but we will also so let's put this here first. And this is the first task. And let me turn off my image here so you can see everything. Or like, let's maybe put this. Can I put this somewhere else? Do not know. Let's yeah, like whatever. So let's continue. So this is essentially the first prompt from Jeff Walker. I'm going to ask a series of questions about my avatar. Before you start, imagine you are a confident, experienced, skilled online marketer who understands the best way to make sales. And so, so this is the first one, and this is we'll start with. So yeah, then it replies something back here. So then I will take the next prompt here. Oh, that was not the complete prompt, which was I made a mistake. I will stop generating. I will create a new chat and delete this one. So let's start all over again with a complete prompt. So which I will first put here, and then we can do this here so you see what's happening here on the screen a little bit better. So the goal is to help me use so this is what we do not want. That was a line from the PDF. For each of these questions, for my avatar is an online entrepreneur who is stressed and overwhelmed by all the technology and different make money opportunities and does not know where to start. I like to help them. So for this, I will just to use hybrid AI. So I'm just copy and pasting my headline here. So I'd like to help them to use hybrid AI to consistently sell high ticket products with 100% free Facebook ads in 12 days or less and automate 95% of the work with smart automation. So this is what I'm now just copy and paste into the chat here. Oh, where is the original prompt? This is the first one. So let's copy and paste this and start here. And then let's see. Okay, what keeps your avatar up at night? And this is actually creating really good copy here and really good ideas. So let's see. So after this was just for your information, exactly what I put in there. So So now let's see. Okay, now ChatGPT has a lot of ideas here for what it does. So let's continue and type in the next one, and then type this here. And while it's creating this, let's rename this to uh, avatar, and then these are, let's copy and paste this here, and then what keeps them up at night. What are they afraid of? I should have used the output a different way. So it's actually in Markdown. So let's see. Maybe you can recognize yourself here at some point. So let's see here, and then essentially their values are their goals, their values, their hopes, dreams, aspiration, and then your avatar is driven by the desire for success, challenging. Okay, so uh, greatest opportunities. So I forgot the output again. So let's put this here, and then I typically the so I'm not sure if it's now the best here to add this here, but yeah, let's call this goals and paste this here, dreams. So multiple. Okay, so they do not know this, and then let's see what are. This is the next prompt here, so I will just show you what this looks like. Uh, Also, problems and challenges. What keeps them up at night? Suppose this is the next prompt, and it's creating like a lot of really good copy here. So I really like this. And then we will see how we can use this to create some really good copy out of this. Maybe for promotional email. So I'm really playing around here right now with Groove.ai. Let it create all the content here first. So this is the next question here, and then this is really good research for everything, and then probably gives me a good idea to come up idea for ideas for my own hybrid AI training. If you want to participate in this, go to adsmadefree.com hybrid training. So this is actually the link. I'm currently putting together everything. So probably like if you just go enter this, this is where I will host the training. So I'm trying to come up with the idea what I teach inside the training. I have a rough idea, rough framework, but I'm trying to get some more ideas of what I could talk about. So now we need to create something new. So, okay, here we need to enter. Let's make all of this big and make this a little bit smaller so you can, oh, so you can see this. So, I want to deliver an online course that, yeah, now we will just enter the headline again. So let's see. Uh, Copy and paste this again from the first one. Use hybrid. So, so this is also the promise. So now we will put this here. um, so products with 100% free Facebook ads, and so teach over a tool like teach a live stream into a Facebook group. Each session will approximately last yeah, probably like 45 minutes, followed by 15 minutes of question answer. So let's see what comes up with. So now we can, this was just for the prompt demo, and now let's rename this to training. So let's copy this. Here the output should be this one in the future, but yeah, let's see what the software came up with. The course curriculum, session 1, introduction to high ticket sales and free Facebook ads, understanding power of high ticket sales, overview of free Facebook ads, and then how to target the right audience using Facebook ads, using free Facebook ads, hybrid AI, active free Facebook ads, test and optimize. Oh, I really like this. So automating sales process. Okay, so with this, let's create some promotional emails. So emails, and let's see if we can do something here for output email, framework, problem, and solution. And then my style, in this case, I want to be casual, inspiring, so conversational. The style here, let's choose here. I do not even know what these words mean. But yeah, conversational, and the goal would be lead generation. Output, let's use this. and optimize for direct response. And now write email. Now this is really where the editor comes into play, because we really want to take this information that we created about our avatar, what keeps them up at night, and essentially write an email. And now we can really um, here tell Groove.ai to use some of the text that we used earlier, and especially like this keeps everything like um, really organized. So um, write an email promoting the um, promoting free training with a focus on and what and with a CTA to register for the free training. So let's see what it comes up with now. I know it. So this is actually a pretty good or pretty decent email. So let's add a new email here. So let's rename this to email. And then like I do not know what's better, if I should just rename it like email number one, and then here probably I should have included the subject line here with this. Not sure, but here we can copy and paste here, and then see subject free training or come here. So typically what I like to do is really looking for like things that I said in the email to come up with better subject lines, something that creates some curiosity, like automate something like this, 95% of the work. So it's really like short and concise, or yeah, something that has a promise here, like maybe even like something like contact with free face ads. And then here like we can, yeah, make this again a little bit bigger. So I know how it feels, the fear of investing time and money into a method. So let's see if we could make this better. I'm not sure, like, if we should continue working in just this thread, or should we open another one to come up with something. Like, I think we could try opening another chat here, and then, oh, let's just continue and going into our avatar here, and then keeps them up. Having everything do manually. What are they afraid of? Text skills. So let's create another email here. and then here conversational problem and solution, project update, proposal. What do we have? Something else? Promotional, introduction. No, this is pretty good. And then what did we say here? Write an email. And then investing time into a venture that may not yield. So let's put in something different and tell it exactly what we want. So probably here I like if I really wanted to use these emails. So here let's use this email number 2. Probably I would make the emails a little bit shorter. So yeah, we can see because I do not want to reiterate this all the time, although this is really good copy. Um, yeah, uh, Holding back, then we would format it here and then yeah, directly put it right into my email autoresponder from here. So with a few very easy to use tools. So I'll so this is probably show you live how among us can use hybrid AI high ticket products. Probably I would not even mention the other aspects of this. So if you to use tools and then usually I do not like this like this sounds a little bit too generic. So here it ended, not sure. Oh yeah, to your success, Martin Buttercow. Yeah, so here then I would put in the actual link and then I have an email. So this is actually really good. So yeah, again, I in this demo, I do not want to make this longer than it needs to be. I just wanted to show you a super quick way, and then essentially showing you how I use Groove AI to create this. Probably I would create more emails like this, maybe having yeah different. Things like coming up with better headlines or something like this, but or product description, landing page copies. But I have most of this already. I would probably go a little bit more deeper into just using default chat for chat GPT, and then really having a look deeper into the different things, would put them into the avatar, would clean up the different goals, actually read through all of this, which takes a lot of time as well. But you can see like if you're using these prompts, then you get a lot of really good yeah, good outputs here very fast. So when you want to test a new product, a new angle, like I'm doing here with my hybrid AI training. So let's go to hybrid AI. Oh, this was the wrong one. So hybrid AI training, something like this. So I would also use Groove AI to come up with the copy for this. But yeah, this was something that I already had. So yeah, really looking forward to creating this training. We'll look a little bit more like into the schedule. Really like what I've seen so far here, especially. Here the outline for the training. This is really good. So yeah, this is essentially what I will show people how to do, and then spice it up with some really concrete case studies of some prompts that I use, some use cases of the tool that I'm selling. Yeah, all of this. So I will dive a little bit deeper into playing around with the tool. So but I hope you could see that it's really much easier to switch between the different things here instead of just using yeah, copy and pasting Groove AI and everything. And of course, like in the future, it's all about yeah, really streamlining the process here, going much deeper into yeah, fine tuning the actual email prompts, the prompts that I give, finding like my tone and tone of voice and this exact style that I want to use, and probably refine this a little bit more. And again, like, AI is an amazing tool. It really helps to create content faster, but we really have to know what we're doing. And of course, we need to create yeah, processes around this. Again, this is an early alpha version of Groove AI. So that means I do not have access to my actual account right now. So all of this information for me will be lost, which is a shame. So yeah, it's again, like really looking forward to using the knowledge bases and all the other features. So it's a machine that needs to be built, and then this is essentially also the promise of my training. Like in the beginning, it takes some time, but when you really have everything dialed in a process, then you can really use AI to automate 95% of the work. And yeah, in my training, it's also about yeah, getting leads and making sales. So this is essentially the bonus that I'm offering with Groove AI. So if you're interested in getting Groove AI, just go to Ads Made Free Groove AI. And here, like, you will get complimentary access to my Ads Made Free Accelerator. Essentially, the training that I've just did is a training that a new model that I'm currently trying, and that will also yeah, sell this program here, the Admetry Accelerator. Yeah, teaching people how to use the Messenger Pro tool, how to yeah, convert people by talking to them on Facebook Messenger, how to use yeah, ChatGPT, and probably in the future Groove AI. And then yeah, really lots of other things, support from me. And you will get this as a bonus if you go to adsmadefree.com slash groove minus AI, or you click somewhere on the link that I will add to this live stream here that I did about using the Groove AI tool. So that's it. That's everything that I wanted to cover here. And now I need to find yeah, where I can stop the live event. So we walked I walked you through this like for about half an hour. But I really think, yeah, especially with some more tweaking, I would get some much better emails. But this output is already really good. And again, I really like playing in the editor with yeah, super fast access here, two different chats. So I would probably create more. Like this is a workflow that I still need to figure out as well, the optimal yeah, what kind of information I need to yeah, provide chat gpt. Or like even better, like in the future I will have knowledge bases. So what I will do is basically input all the information of the avatar into one knowledge base, and then Groove AI consistently has this information available. So this is something that I was yeah, not even aware of when I was starting this training, because you can use all of this to really create a knowledge base on your avatar super fast. and then go from there, and then really jump through different chats. For example, like one would be for the emails, another one would then be for creating social media posts, another one would be for creating scripts for short form videos and things like this. So I'm really looking forward to having access to the full version of Groove AI with the working knowledge base and everything, and then it will make everything so much easier. So I hope this makes sense. I hope you get excited about this. As much as I do. So if you have any questions, just post them below. Wherever you're seeing this live demo, I'm hosting this in my Facebook groups and everything. And we'll get back to all the comments after I end the live stream now. So that's essentially what I wanted to cover. Again, if you want to go to you want to go to Groove AI, estimate3.com/ Groove minus AI, and then here you can click on Get Groove AI, and this will basically move you to the actual page of creating marketing automation with Groove AI, and here you can become a backer, watch a full demo, watch what you will get. Again, like access to this tool will be like on the September 5th. And summary of what it gets. So it costs, like, to become a platinum member, it costs 897. You can also use the two split, or here there is the option to get started for just 250 for payments of $250, which is probably the best option. It's a little bit hidden here. When you click, like looking for happy hour, click here and then make sure that it actually says referrer is Martin at findfocus.net. So you qualify for the bonus, of course. And this is much better than any of the previous launches. Like this is a lifetime deal. And then you have 30 days back guarantee. So when you get access on in the beginning of September, you can still ask for your money back in case you do not like the tool, you think it's not as useful as it is. They also have a white label version that you can sign up for free right now, and then in 5 months, when they actually release it, it costs for 97. This is free for everyone to try to build their own AI SaaS company. Pretty amazing. And then here you can run everything um, so read through all of this about Groove AI, about the backup program, about planned features. Like this is just like the first phase of the tool. Like in the future there will be much more that they plan to build into this. And it's I think it's an amazing software. I really like using it, especially since moving between different chats is now so easy. Like this is as speaking of right now, it's the biggest advantage there, and what I like most, working over Chat GPT. And in the future the knowledge base will make a huge difference as well. Having everything in different, like also, like once you have different like presets and things like this, so you have different presets for SEO and direct response, and like you will have workflows essentially for every creating every part of any online marketing campaign with all your data in one place. And one I can even move this here. I did not even know this. With one like word processor, so which saves a lot of time copying back and forth, and create and making sure that this is actually looking really nice. So that's what I wanted to cover. Again, if you have questions, just let me know.